This actually tastes so good. It has like a very sweet flavor, so it's really good and refreshing in the morning. I've been trying to integrate it into my morning routine so I can get my greens. I definitely don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. It also really helps with digestion and gut health, which I've actually been struggling with. It's best when used daily, so I've really been trying to drink it every morning. I absolutely love it. Definitely check it out for yourself. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description. I have the mango flavor if you're curious which one I have. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a healthy, productive self-care vlog. I've just been really in the vlogging mood. I've been doing more vlogs recently, so I hope you guys have been liking them. Definitely thumbs up if you have, and comment below any videos that you'd like to see on my channel. I thought I'd do like kind of like a little healthy self-care vlog. I posted a self-care vlog recently and you guys seemed to like it, so I thought I'd do kind of like another one. I just have a list of things that I want to do today, so I thought I would vlog it. I thought I would start off the vlog with just kind of getting ready, doing my makeup. Also, my friend Kylie brought me a Starbucks, which is so nice. It's a caramel macchiato. She ordered her Starbucks and they gave her the wrong thing, or they gave her 2 drinks or something, and she doesn't like caramel macchiato, so she texted me and asked me. She was like driving right by. She dropped it off for me. Literally just a nice coffee to drink while I do my makeup. So thank you, Kylie, and thank you, Starbucks, for messing up her order. It's so good. I might have to start getting caramel macchiatos. It's so good. I really need to pluck my eyebrows. That is something I totally forget to do. I just forget. I should probably just do that right now. Now they're looking better. Now I can go back to doing my makeup. I'm just gonna kind of fill in my eyebrows. Now going in with the Giorgio Armani foundation. I actually think I might go to Sephora today and Ulta. I've been feeling like this foundation is a little bit dark. I color matched this a long time ago. I've been wearing this for years. Lately, like sometimes in the light especially, I'm like, just like doesn't look like it matches my neck. At Ulta, I went to get a new concealer brush. I've been using this one. All the hairs are coming out, so when I like go to set my eyes, bristles from the brush get like poked my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I use the Kosas concealer, and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes. I was actually gonna do my makeup different today. I was gonna do it a little bit different, but now I already started doing it this way and I forgot. Now I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer. I ordered the cutest shoes yesterday. I ordered these Adidas Giselle sneakers, I think is what they're called. I think these sneakers are going to be very trendy, especially like the pops of colors, like the blue and the green and the pink. I really think I'll wear them a lot. I wear sneakers every single day. My New Balances, I wear truly every single day. Like not even like I wear them every day. Like I genuinely wear them every day. And now I'm gonna go in with this little freck pen and just draw in some fake freckles. Here's the final makeup look. I'm just gonna curl my hair. It is a little bit later. I just curled my hair and got ready for the day. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning before I head out and run some errands. I just kind of want to take a minute to tidy up my apartment. Kind of just have like some random stuff out and some laundry that I need to do. So I'm just gonna take like 10 or 15 minutes. So when I get home, it'll be nice and clean and picked up. I also have like some emails I need to reply to. I'm just gonna take a little bit of time to do that before I go and run some errands. I've been somewhat productive. I got some cleaning and laundry done. I have some laundry going right now if you can hear that. I think I'm just gonna run a few errands, go to Ulta, Sephora, and maybe Target as well. I got a couple makeup brushes in Ulta. I only went in there for one, but there was a coupon and the coupon did not apply unless I bought more. I was already thinking about buying a second one. I'm right by Target, so I think I might just go in there and look at some of the spring home decor. I'm like really in the spring mood, so I kind of just want to look at all the spring home decor, and I might pick up some fresh flowers while I'm in there. I feel like Target has flowers. I got these cute flowers at Target. They're just like yellow. I thought these would be cute. Let's go to Sephora, see if I can find a good foundation shade. I feel like this one is actually looking good today, but lately it's been looking kind of orange. But today, of course, it's actually looking good, I feel like. But I'm just gonna see what they have in there. Also, I kind of want to look at the Tula, like it's like an eye balm. I saw Vivian Audi, I follow her on Instagram. She posted about them and I was so tempted to order them, and I think Sephora carries Tula, so I'm just gonna like look at those. I'm back at a different Ulta. Sephora doesn't carry Tula, and I actually really want that under eye balm, and I'm so dumb. I should have thought Target and Ulta both carry it. So I have like literally gone to Ulta, gone to Target, gone to Sephora, and now I'm back at Target and Ulta. This is why I make lists. I really want that under eye thing from Tula actually. Now I'm back at Ulta, a different Ulta. I matched some different foundations, and the girl helped me in there because I'm pretty good with like matching foundations, but I haven't bought a new foundation in a while, and I'm glad I asked because there was a whole another row behind that I didn't even see. She found one that like blended perfectly. So this is the one that I have on now, if you can see that little line, and then there was one that I tried that was a little bit lighter, and then she pointed one out that actually matches perfectly. So I got that. They had one left. Now I'm gonna go to Ulta and I'm gonna get that little Tula thing. I'm gonna do a haul when I get home. Got the Tula eye balm. I'm really glad I did. The girl in there was super nice, and she suggested this one. So there's a pink one, like a rose glow. One has pink packaging, one I think this has blue packaging. I asked her what the difference was, and she said she likes this one. She said the other one adds like a highlight under your eye. She said she didn't like that as much, and I feel like I probably wouldn't like that as much either. I ended up going with this one. She said it's better to use in the morning. It just kind of brightens up your under eye. It's rid of like any puffiness, and she also said it's good to put in the fridge because then it's like really cooling, like extra cooling. That is like a really good tip. I'm glad I decided to go in there and not order online because the girl was really nice and had a lot of extra tips. I think I'm just gonna head home now. I'm back home. I thought I would do a little haul of what I picked up. You kind of already know how cute are my little flowers. The bright yellow is actually really cute, very spring. Yellow is just like a nice like happy color. First up, from Sephora, I got a lighter color of my Giorgio Armani foundation. I forgot how expensive this is when it's not on sale. Usually I get it during the Sephora sales event. I think I'm gonna like this color a lot better. We'll see. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow. I actually picked up a couple things from Ulta. I took a couple different trips there. First, this is not from Ulta. I actually got this a couple days ago, but I just wanted to show you guys. I got a MAC lipstick for the first time in forever. I used to be so obsessed with MAC lipsticks like back in high school, especially like the really like purple type color. This just brought me back in time when I like smelled the MAC lipsticks and put this on my lips. But basically I had a lot of MAC empties. If you don't know, I forget how many, I think it's 6 MAC empties. You can bring it in like your empties and then you can get a free lipstick. I had a lot of MAC empties that I just had been collecting and I totally forgot, and I just brought them in and got a free MAC lipstick. I actually had a bunch of them, so my sister was in town, so I was like, you pick out one. Got a MAC lipstick. I got this one, which is Angel is the name of it. It's really pretty. It's pretty much like my everyday kind of shade. So pretty. I forgot how much I loved MAC lipsticks. Like they're just so creamy. I love this color. It's like a nice pink. At Ulta, got a couple Morphe makeup brushes. I got this one for my concealer. I think it'll be a good concealer brush to blend out my concealer, and Morphe brushes are so soft. And then I got this one. This is what I use every day for my foundation, but I feel like the foundation just packs on there so quickly, and I love using a clean foundation brush. I feel like my foundation goes on so much better when the brush is clean. I feel like I'm just always washing it, so I just wanted to get another one. I'm just gonna have it as like a backup for my foundation, so when that one starts to get dirty, I can just have a fresh clean one to like switch it out with. And then, as you know, I also got the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I saw this on an Instagram story the other day, and I was just so convinced to buy it because I love the idea of an under eye cream or an under eye balm. I just love the idea of like an actual like a stick that you can just kind of, it's a nice fat like stick too. That is everything that I picked up. This was like a really fun, relaxing kind of reset day. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you like to do on a self-care day. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26, and make sure to check out Bloom. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link. And thank you guys for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.